Hello everyone, my name is Jayshree Seth and I'm a scientist at 3M, and I spend my time using science to solve our customers' toughest challenges. At 3M, we are committed to helping other people. Every day we help tackle problems, big and small, with our vision to improve every life. Today, many schools need help as teachers and educators around the world are quickly adapting to new forms of distance learning. And that's why I'm here. I'm also 3M's Chief Science Advocate, and I believe that you don't have to be in a classroom or lab to practice or think about science. Science is all around us. So welcome to Science at Home. Here you will find short videos of easy-to-follow at-home science experiments with common household items that also reinforce core scientific principles. Educators are free to use this content in their digital classrooms, and parents and kids can do these experiments safely at home together. The experiments are conducted by real-life 3M scientists like me, and we have a few special guests to help us out along the way. So thank you for checking out Science at Home and start discovering the science all around you today.